how can you find one specific file to export from iPhone to a PC? So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time being here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Usually people connect their iPhone through a cable to a computer, and then the files are basically synced all, or depending on which method you use. But if you only want to connect one file, it would be the best to open up the Files app, and in here you can browse all of the different storage options on your device. We have the local storage, which is called On My iPhone. Then we have the iCloud, and even other apps might show up in this list. But the point is that you can browse through the folders, look something up, and then when you find it, hold it down on it and click on either share, right, and use some sort of method to move it into your computer. Like you can perhaps use a cloud-based method or something else, right? And that is how you can move it over. If you ask me personally, the best way for me, especially between like Windows PC and iPhone from Apple, would be to use some sort of intermediate storage device, something like an SSD drive or a USB stick, which you can connect to both devices. People somehow assume that it's not possible with an iPhone, but it most definitely works. Like as long as you figure out the connection, like you can connect an SSD external storage to the iPhone through the USB-C cable, it's going to show up to be part of the files, right? So you can copy or move any specific files you have on your phone to the external storage. Then you disconnect and of course connect it to your computer. It might be Mac or Windows or anything else, and then you can basically copy and paste the same file that you're trying to move. So that is personally how I go about it. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed and find the solution to your problem. Thanks a lot, and I hope to catch you later in the upcoming videos too.